鸡白好了。
Oh, good. Okay, this is a Flavour new branch. They have just started business on September 2022 at this Sungai Dua here, and we are going to check out this new branch. Hello， 我们是要吃的。
要吃的。
嘿 ，Hello， 嗨，我可以进去拍一下吗？
哦，可以。
可以啊。
哦，有指定在那边的呀。
哇 ，Hello， 老板你好。
Hello， 谢谢。
哎，不客气，不客气。哇，
来，他们拿。
好嘞，好嘞，好嘞，好嘞，好嘞，好嘞。
好，有台都给。好，有台都给。
哎，你们这边是刚刚才开发的是吧？新 branch。哦，很好，很好。哎，哈，哇，你跑过来这边了。哦 ，very good，very good。来，哦，暂时来忙一下啦。哦，很好，很好。
哦，我们先开，我们就要过去了。
哦，说你那个 biscuit 那边呢？你现在在装修着？
对呀。
哦。
比较有装aircon那种的。
哦，有装aircon那种的啦。
还不确定的时间开。
哦。
在挑着那个球位。
哦，OK，到时叫我去啊，记得啊。
没问题。哦，倒啊，倒，哇，so good 啊，哇 ，so good， 哎呦，很好 ，OK， 来。
Today we're in Flavour Chicken Rice Shop. This is a new shop. They opened a new shop, and this is the modern type. Because the last time we went into Flavour, it looks
Classic.
yeah classic. So now they moved to a new place. It's modern.
Air condition.
Yeah, aircon room.
It's a new branch of Flavour at
Yep.
Sungai Dua here, and we love Flavour lah actually.
Yeah, because of the chicken rice.
And the
It's
soup.
very nice.
Ah.
They can make us Flavour.
Make you Flavour, yeah. You like to become Flavour, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now, which is your favorite? You have char siew here, and then you have the siew ba, and also you have the roast chicken. You want to try this roast pork?
Okay then.
Oh,
What
yes.
sauce does it have?
This is the usual barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce?
Yes, the Asian barbecue sauce, and I like the skin here because it's very crispy. Mmm, garlic. Oh, so good. How's that? Savory on the top part, and the sauce is like sweetness, huh? How's that? Good, huh?
Crispy and also a little bit of crispy taste.
Yes. And you want to try out this char siew. This is the barbecue pork slices.
Another pork.
Yeah, just now it's a roast pork. This is the barbecue pork. I'm putting in the chili
Chili
sauce.
sauce.
Appetizing.
The chili sauce very spicy.
Quite spicy, but very appetizing, and also savory. So you just try plain first. You try plain first.
A little bit hard.
Because of the crispy part. They barbecue the crispy part, caramelized because of they're putting in a bit of honey glaze. The honey glaze.
Like honey glaze.
You try out this roast chicken? Yes, this is the roast chicken.
The best part was I like it.
Yeah, I like the roast chicken also. So nice. Oh yes. And this is also one of their signature. The Thai boy soup, yes. This is the Thai boy soup, one of their signature here. Ooh la la. Now, this one, wow, piping hot. appetizing, hot. Yes, so nice. A slight spiciness to bring out the excitement. Very good. How's that? Jelly, nice.
It's sour as well.
Sour as well.
Sour, savory, and of course a little spicy.
Of course. 1, 2, 3. ซี่แปรโฮเดียว